When I see you, my heart beats fast. Your beauty makes me fall in love. I want to tell you, but I feel shy. In case you reject me, if I ask you, maybe you will say no. In my heart I keep thinking, every day and every night, that you are like an angel. You appear in my dreams. I am a poor man, my heart is not at peace. I have feelings, but I feel shy. In case you reject me, in case you refuse. When I see you in my heart, I want to hold your hand. Whether you agree or not, I want to know. I keep thinking, I want to know. You attract me all the time, every day, all the time. I think I just keep following behind. I will ask without being too shy. Everyone praises you, everyone wants to have you. Now it is not only me, everyone feels the same. In my heart, I am very shy, because you smile and you talk a lot. Days go and days come, I have thought of moving closer. I have decided